Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we'll show you how to remove objects from a picture using FlexClip. On FlexClip's homepage, hover over the AI option and click on AI Object Remover. Click to upload an image, or try one of the samples below. First, log in with your FlexClip account. On the left, use the Draw and Erase tools to manually select unwanted parts on the canvas. Drag the slider to adjust the brush size. To save time, you can enable auto selection. The AI will analyze the image and separate its layers. Select the unwanted parts and click Remove. In just a few seconds, watch the magic happen. Press the Compare button to see the difference between the new and old image. Next, use Draw, Erase, Redo, Undo, and Reset to refine the image. Use the slider to zoom in or out to check details. Switch to prompt removal mode. Upload an image. Describe the part you want to remove, then click Remove. In seconds, you'll get the perfect image. When you're done, download it or convert it to a video with AI. In History, you can browse all previous creations and download or delete multiple images at once. Click an image to view details, share on Facebook or Twitter, or copy a link to share with others. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.